So if you are a dark skin person who want to glow your skin to achieve a caramel skin tone, then this video I'm about to do is for you. In this video, I'm going to review on two products that you can use on your skin as a dark skin person to glow your skin or to achieve a caramel skin tone. In this video, I'm going to review on Pawpaw Clarifying Lotion and Baby Oil. These are two products or a combination that you can use on your skin as a dark skin person to achieve a caramel skin tone. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what these two products plays roles on the skin. I'm going to share with you guys how you are going to use it to achieve the exact glowing skin that you want, and I'll show you guys how to use it without seeing any side effects. Okay, so Pawpaw Clarifying Lotion, it's one of the best lotion that clears spots on the skin, that glows the skin, that lightens the skin, that nourishes the skin, and that brings out your natural glow. Okay, it's formulated with pawpaw, vitamin C, vitamin E, aquatic acid, and other natural ingredients. And this baby oil is a very good baby oil that nourishing the skin, that also works on dry skin, and it also glows the skin. Everybody can use it. A baby can use it, a normal skin person can use it, combination skin person can use it, an oily skin person can use it, and also a sensitive skin person can use it as well. One thing about this oil is that it fakes stretch marks on the skin and it clears white dots on the skin. And this pawpaw clarifying lotion is also good for normal skin people. It's good for a combination skin people. It's good for a dry skin people. I'll be sharing with you guys how you can mix the baby oil to this lotion to use on the skin as a sensitive skin person to glow your skin. Okay, so this is how the lotion is. We have the bigger size of the lotion, we have the cream itself, we have the shower gel, we have the face cream, we have the cake soap, we have its oil, and I think that's all. So this is how the lotion is inside the bottle. Okay, and it has a very nice fragrance. So this is a container, this is my spoon, and this is the lotion. This is also a baby oil which I'll be mixing with this lotion to share with you guys how a dark skin person can use it to achieve a caramel skin tone. It's not recommended for a fair skin person. If you are already fair and you use this lotion, it's going to tone down your skin for you. Okay, but if you are a dark skin person, it will help you achieve a caramel skin tone. And if you are a caramel skin tone person, it's going to maintain the skin for you, and it's also going to glow the skin for you as well. But then it can lighten your skin when you use it consistently. Okay, so I'm pouring a bit of the lotion inside the cream. I'm pouring a bit of the lotion inside this container. I'm not pouring all, just a little quantity. It's like this 2 spoon. Okay, so this is how the cream looks like. I don't know if you can see it very well. This is how the cream looks like. This is how it is, and it smells so nice. Please do not use it on the face. It's not advisable to use it on the face. And this is my baby oil. I always like this flavor because it smells so nice. It smells very nice. And the reason why I like this baby oil is that it helps to fade stretch marks on the skin. So if you have issue with stretch marks, you can grab this baby oil and use it. But take note, you have to use it consistently. Don't use it and expect to see the results in 1 week or 2 weeks. You have to be patient and use it consistently. So I'm pouring a bit. I'm pouring a bit. Someone will say, why are you not using a measurement? I'm not using a measurement. Just use your mind to pour a little inside your cream. If you are a dry skin person, make sure the oil is plenty in the cream. Okay, so you just have to mix it. I'm mixing it for us to see. Okay, so you take your time Be patient and mix it very well. If you have vitamin E, you can add vitamin E to it, okay? And if you have bio oil, you can add bio oil to it. These are for dark skin people who want to achieve a caramel skin tone. So you can mix it very, very well. Make sure everything is well mixed before using it on the skin. I think I made my oil plenty. So let me add some of the cream again. If you notice the oil is plenty, just add some of the cream, okay? But if you are a dry skin person, make sure the oil should be plenty inside the cream. So this is how it is. I don't know if you can see it well. This is how it is. When you add baby oil to a lightening lotion, it limits the hydroquine inside. This product contains hydroquine, a bit, but not plenty, a bit of hydroquine and a kojic acid. So when you add the baby oil to it, it's going to reduce the hydroquine inside, okay? So this is how it is. It's very soft, very, very soft. So after that, we just have to, after bathing and everything, you just have to massage it on the skin. You know, when you are using a cream on the body, don't just apply it anyhow. Massage it on the skin very well. Be patient and massage it on the skin. It smells so nice, so nice. So after bathing and everything, just use it on your skin and off you go to bed, okay? The shower gel is very good. It makes the skin smooth. It makes the skin very soft. Likewise, the cake soap as well. But then if you are a dark skin person, don't combine the pawpaw oil to the pawpaw lotion and use. It's going to lighten your skin for you, okay? The only thing you can mix with the lotion is a baby oil or a bio oil or a recovery oil, because those oils are very, very mild, which you can use it with the lotion to achieve a caramel skin tone, okay? The side effect of not using these two combination well is that it will end up leaving marks on the skin, or sometimes you will not see the result very well, and moreover it will irritate the skin for you. But if you mix it very well and you use it in the night, you are going to see a very massive result on the skin. I don't know if I've spoken about the roles it plays on the skin. If you combine these two products, they glow the skin for you, they nourishes the skin for you, they works on dry skin, it also hydrates the skin for you, it makes the skin very smooth, it makes the skin very soft, and it's recommended for normal skin people, it's recommended for a dry skin people, it's recommended for a combination skin people, and also sometimes a sensitive skin person. A child at the age of 10 years and above can use it on the skin to glow the skin, but not consistently. When the child wants to lighten the skin, the child can use it consistently because the oil has reduced the quantity of the hydroquine inside. And please don't use these two products on the face. As you have mixed it with the oil, don't use it on the face. It helps to clear dark elbow, it clears dark inner thigh, it clears dark armpit, and sometimes it works on dark knuckles as well. It's very good for lightening the skin, it's very good for glowing the skin, it's very good for nourishing the skin, and it's very good for brightening the skin as well. A fair skin person cannot use this combination because it's going to tone down the skin for you, okay? But a caramel skin person can use it, a dark skin person can use it to glow the skin, okay? So if you have ever used these two products before, you've combined pawpaw cream or pawpaw lotion to baby oil before, you can share your review with me or your testimony with me. But then please do want to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you will be the first to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you guys. All I want